you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have 3 of the best gift ever sets from Target. Do you want to know what's inside of these? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So today I'm going to show you what's in all 3 of these packs. I saw that they had all of these and I grabbed all of them to show you guys. So there's 3 different ones. They all come in their own colored bag, which I think is super cute. They're all $14.99 each. This one right here is the skincare. It's a 9-piece set of standout skincare essentials, valued over $33, again, $14.99. And this one comes in this teal bag, super cute. Then there is the hair. That one's in an orange bag. This one's the same, $14.99. This one says it's valued over $31. And there's a 9-piece set of hair care essentials. So there's that. And then the last one is called Clean. This one is $14.99. And this one's valued over $42. And it has a 9-piece collection of our clean beauty favorites. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's all inside of these. I'm so excited to actually open them up. So since this is still in my hand, let's go ahead and start with the Clean. Again, this is Best Gift Ever Clean Set, and that's the actual packaging. On the back, it does give more information about the items, but you can see what they all are right here. So let's pull that off. And let's get this opened. So it does have 2 little things here that I need to cut off so I can open it. Okay, so here is the actual bag. It is like a light blue and it does have the orange zipper on the top, and that's what it's gonna look like when you open it up. So let's pull all of this stuff out, and then everything is actually down in this little bag right here. Okay, so the first things that we have is Tresemme Pro Pure Conditioner and Shampoo. So shampoo and conditioner, this is a light moisture hydration, and that is that. And these are, I always tell you guys that I like to save these for travel. These are 3 fluid ounces, so these are definitely travel friendly, and that's a good size for shampoo and conditioner. So you can either use them or you can save them if you do travel or when you travel. These are amazing for that. So here's a shampoo and conditioner. Let me smell this one. It does. Ooh, that does smell good. Oh, that smells really good. Ooh, I might have to use these. I think I have enough in my travel section. I think I need to use them. So there's those. Now you have is the Garnier Skin Activated Cleansing Water. And I know somebody just told me how to say this in my last video. Did I say it right? Micellar? I always want to say like my Casselberry, but I know that's not it. So I think it's micellar. Tell me if I said it right, whoever just corrected me on my last video. But this is an all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. Cleanses, refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes for all skin types, even the most sensitive. So that is really neat that you have this to test out, and you can see if it really does take all your mascara off. I haven't found one that really does, to be honest. So now we have Bliss. This is Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower. Good old rose. I was gonna get excited for a second because it's another product I haven't used yet. But no, not with rose. But I will definitely put this in a future giveaway, so one of you guys will be able to enjoy that one. Next we have is Burt's Bees, an always good brand, Firming Moisturizing Cream Renewal with Natural Retinol Alternative. Wow. So that's nice. You get to try that product right there, and that's from Burt's Bees. Now we have a Native toothpaste, and this is fluoride-free detoxifying charcoal with fresh mint, or with mint. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So you have that toothpaste right there. Again, you can use it. You can save it for travel, or you can even use these things for stocking stuffers, you guys. So next we have is a Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness Resurfacing Overnight Galactic Treatment, Moonstone True Unicorn Root, Galactic and Lactic, Resurface, Refine, and Hydrate for all skin types. So there's that. And this says, before bed, apply to face and allow to sink in and set. Go to bed. Or tell yourself that you're going to bed while you scroll through your phone until wee hours of the morning. That's what it says. Use every other day to start as your skin adjusts. Tingling sensation may occur when first using. So that's really cute. That's a cool saying on the back too. Now you have is Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. Fair trade. And I like the Shea Moisture. I like to get the ones that are for your hair, like the hair masks. So I've never tried a mud mask, but there's a clarifying mud mask. And then the last thing in this set is going to be Pacifica Glowing Galactic Acid Orange and Vanilla Makeup Removing Wipes. Orange and vanilla, that sounds amazing. Let me just take a little sniff chest up in here. Up in here. Oh my God, it smells like almost like a creamsicle baby wipe. Like you take a baby wipe and you smell a creamsicle at the same time. That's what that smells like. Okay, so that is everything that is in the clean set. So again, you have the Burt's Bees, you have the Bliss, the Garnier shampoo and conditioner, you have the overnight treatment, you have the mud mask, you have toothpaste, and you have makeup cleansing wipes. So that's everything in the clean. So now let's go with skincare. And this is like in a teal, which you guys know, I love my teal. And then the top actually has a white, where the other one was blue with orange. This one is teal with white. Okay, so the best of skincare is going to have Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. I used to use Aquaphor on my tattoos before Saniderm came around, and now that's all I use. But I never seen it in an actual spray. So that's really neat. So you have immediately soothes and relieves dry and rough skin all day. Easy to apply. So they have it in a spray can now. That's crazy. Well, it's cool, but I've never seen that. Learn something every day. So you have that. You have Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Nourishing Dry Skin Lotion. So there's a lotion. Now you have is a daily facial cleanser. And that's the same brand that we had the scrub in the other one. So there is a daily facial cleanser. Here is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser. So here's another cleanser. This one's also a cleanser. It's an exfoliating face wash acne treatment. Looks like they have like a 3-step, and this is step 1 of 3. Here is a La Roche-Posay, I think that's how you say it. This is a retinol serum. This one says B3. The other one said what, B5 on it, and it was a small little guy, but it was a different package. So this one is that. Now we have is a facial moisture lotion. And then here's another facial, oh, that's PM, and then here's AM. So you have an AM and a PM of facial moisturizing lotion. There's that. And then the last item, and this one is Vinci. This is a Peptide C. I'm not quite sure, but this one actually comes with the pamphlet, and it tells you, like, I guess, how to break the seal to open it to use it. But that is the product. And then on the inside, because now I'm curious, like, what in the world do you do? Oh, what? Whoa. Okay, so you have like this little glass bottle, and then you have this little tube here. So apparently you probably put this over this to protect the glass when you break it to open it. But yeah, so here's this little thing with this instruction pamphlet on how to use it. So that is everything in the skincare set. So in this one, we have the spray Aquaphor. You have the Vinci product with this pamphlet to go with it. You have a cleanser. You have a cleanser. You have a cleanser. You have an AM and a PM lotion. You have an all-over lotion. And then you have a serum. So that's everything in that guide. So the very last one, you guys, is going to be the hair. The hair is in this nice, like, orangish color with a yellow zipper. Let me cut this thing off. Okay, so I'm really excited about this one actually. So the first, oh, it's rose water. I was excited. Well, the first thing we have here is Pantene Pro V Blends Rose Water Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad, but I don't even want to do it and have it in my hair where I'm smelling it all day. So I will probably either pass these down or donate them. But there's the shampoo and the conditioner, and these are 3 fluid ounces. So these are really good size right there. Now you have is a dry shampoo, waterless, incredible spray, cleans and refreshes roots. So I will donate that to the women's shelter. Here is a Do It All 3-in-1 dry texture spray. I'll donate that one as well. And this one is Hask Charcoal with Citrus Purifying Dry Shampoo, Long Lasting Oil Absorption. So that will go donated as well. And this is a good size. This one's a 2.5 fluid ounce. Well, I mean, compared to like this dry shampoo, I mean, that's a really good size. Now we have as a shampoo and conditioner. This is Kristen ESS. It says Signature Shampoo and Conditioner, and it says The One. I've never heard of this brand before, but that's really neat. These are 2 fluid ounce. Let me smell the conditioner. Ooh, look at the little lid. That's a fancy, ooh, can I not open it? I think I'm gonna break it if I open it. So let me just pop the top and just try to smell it. Ooh, that smells pretty good. Ah, that does smell good. I'm gonna definitely use these. Then we have 2 more items, you guys. We have a full thing of hair rubber bands, hair ties, with all those pretty colors. I'll probably donate these actually, because I have so many of them. So I'll probably just donate them to the women's shelter. And then the last thing is the Hair Food Avocado and Argan Oil Hair Mask Soothing, dye-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. And I'm so excited to use this because if you guys follow me, you know I get really excited whenever there's a hair mask. So I'm really excited about this. And I know avocado is supposed to be really good for your hair. So I'm even more excited for this one. So there is a hair mask. So in the hair one, you have a shampoo and a conditioner. You have a shampoo and a conditioner. You have a dry shampoo, You have a dry texture spray. You have a full thing of all of these different hair ties and a hair mask. So that is what is all in the hair set, you guys. So if you are interested, if you want to use these things for stocking stuffers, for gifts, now you know what the size is and what everything inside actually looks like. So that'll kind of help determine if you guys want to purchase one, and if so, which one or all of them you would like. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. And let me know down below, which one did you think was the better value? Again, they were all the same price to pay, and they all have different things inside. I really am torn between the clean and the hair. I think the skincare just had a lot of the smaller sizes that I don't think that's really as worth it in my own opinion. So for me, I would say the clean or the hair is the best route to go because they're bigger products and it looks like you get more of a value in what's inside. So I hope this video does help you if you were contemplating, I almost sound like I was gonna say constipated. If you were contemplating on getting one of these and you weren't quite sure, now hopefully this will help you out. Hopefully you're not constipated because that would suck. I'm sorry, but that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.